Hello there friends, it's Ashley here from the Loopy Lamb and theloopylamb.com, and thank you so much for stopping by the channel today. I'm popping in to share a mystery crochet along announcement. Join me on January 13th as I start to host my second year-long mystery Amigurumi crochet along. We'll start our crochet adventure together by making a crochet doll, and then throughout the year we'll be crocheting enough garment, toys, and accessory projects to fill an advent calendar. This project is done at a really relaxed pace, so there's lots of time to get your projects done or catch up if you need it. We'll finish our project by mid-November, so that way there's time to finish your project up and get it to its desired recipient. The doll's outfits are removable and mix and match, but you won't know what they are until I post them. The patterns will be available in both the written and video tutorial formats, so no matter how you like to crochet, we'll have both formats available for you. The 2022 Crochet Along Adventure with Advent Amy was so much fun, and I loved seeing all of your projects and how you customize them throughout the year. And I can't wait to get started with you in January. And if you're going to be participating with us, let me know in the comment section below and share your excitement with our community. The publication schedule will be available on January 6th at theloopylamb.com, where you can keep an eye on the dates for new patterns releasing for our Crochet Along. This page will act as our homepage, where I will be posting the links as the patterns become available and are published on the blog and YouTube channels. I hope that you're as excited as I am to get started on our new Amigurumi Advent Calendar Crochet Along in January. Thank you so much for all of your support this year, and I want to also take a moment to wish you and your families a safe and happy holiday season. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next year.